Hi everyone, my name is Ehsan. I am a computer programmer and front-end developer, and I am prepared an HTML tutorial pack for you. Free, understandable, and simple, but complete pack with all new features. So have a seat and be relaxed, and don't forget subscribe to channel for new videos. HTML is a simple and powerful language that enables web developers to create amazing websites and web applications that we use every day. All web pages you see in the internet made by HTML. Your compiler in HTML is your computer browser, so if you write a code as HTML in a text file and then convert it to HTML, you can easily run it with your browser. For the code writing, there is lots of tools like simple Windows Notepad or Notepad++, but I rather to write code in Visual Studio Code because Visual Studio Code highlights the tag color and makes your code beautiful and much readable, and suggestion code in Visual Studio helps to write code so much faster. In this example, I create a simple text file, then I convert the file as HTML. Finally, I open the file with Visual Studio Code and bam, everything is ready for learning. HTML elements, like the building blocks of any HTML content, they define the structure and content of a web page. Each HTML element is created by enclosing content within opening and closing tags. For example, P element is a block level element that creates a new line before and after the content inside the element. Let's practice together in next chapter.